Hello. So, in case of NoMoreClass, once you decide to write the online admission test, in that case, the admission department here at NMC will be sharing you one link. Okay. They will be sharing you that link either on the WhatsApp or the SMS or the mail, whatever you demand actually. So once you get that link to write the admission test, you will open any browser. So it will work with any browser, whether it is Chrome or it is Mozilla, and you just paste it there. So once you go for that link, basically it will take you to the register. So you will be registering as a guest. The full-fledged access for this platform you will be getting only after taking the admission. But right now, to write the test, you will be registering as a guest. So there you will be writing the student full name. So in place of student full name, I'm just writing student. And here you will be writing the phone number on which you want us to connect. So let's say I'm writing any random number. Okay. So you just write the student name and you write your phone number. Okay. So once you write the name and the phone number, you just go for the create user. So once you go for the create user, basically automatically the user is created for which you have written the name actually, and you will be able to see the test, the admission test basically. On this admission test, you can study the name. You can check basically the class and everything is right or not. Like this is the admission test class 11, meaning if you're in the class 10th and looking to admission in the class 11, then this is the place. And one test will be there. The engineering is written. So this is for the student who wants to go for the engineering. Okay. And then you read the descriptions actually. So as you go by the descriptions, you will know like what kind of test it will be there, how many questions will be coming from the which topic and all. Once you read and once you are prepared that you want to start the test, you just click on the test. This will come and then you go for the attempting the quiz. It will be asking you the last time that you are ready or not. Okay. So once you start attempt, then the timer will start. So as you can see, the timer is there. Now this test, basically we have kept the time for 1 hour. The test will be available for 1 hour right now. So like currently it is 59 minutes, 42 seconds. It's showing. Now then basically you keep reading the questions. It's an objective test. Admission test is objective test. You can toggle between the different questions actually here by just clicking directly from here. So the segments also divided, like this is a mathematics segment, 15 questions. There is a physics segment, 10 questions. There's a chemistry segment, 10 questions, and there is a mathematical reasoning, 5 questions. So you will be able to see basically, and you can toggle. Now you can toggle between the questions starting from here as well. Previous page and the next page you can go. This is the objective question, so you will be selecting the options. I'm not in my mind at this point of time while selecting the questions. Obviously, you should be solving and then selecting. In between, if you come across any question which you find that it is basically some issue is there, you flag the question. On the back side, or technical people will be checking whether your flagged question has an issue or not. If your flagged question will be having the issue, you will be provided the grace marks. Okay. So this is how you will keep attempting the paper. And once the time is done or the paper is done, once either the paper is done or the time is done, basically, automatically the paper will be getting submitted. Or you can directly, if you finish the paper before the time, then you can see the option is available, but it is saying that finish the time. So once you click on that, the attempt will be done. It will be giving you the summary of your attempts, basically. Like how many questions you attempted, that summary it will give. So like question number 18, I put up the answer and answer is saved. Question number 19, I put up the answer is saved. This you will be getting once you finish it. Okay. Then you can finally submit it. At this point of time, final submission will be happening. Okay. Once the submission is done, basically, you will be able to see the questions. I hope you understood everything. Okay. Thank you.